Is it good to consider PMS and AIF investment options? How are these investments performing? To help you get answers to such questions, we have our financial expert Usha Nair with us. Usha, over to you.
The other segment of investments that you get to choose, which is called the alternate investment products or PMSs, etc. They have done well, they are good ideas. And if you have the corpus, because most of them require a higher entry level, like an AIF requires you to put in one shot a crore of rupees, a PMS requires you to put 50 lakhs, but you do get good choices there and good investment opportunities. But I want to talk about one concept that you need to be clear, because this is something that I generally hear from a lot of customers. Many believe that a mutual fund is a different product, an AIF is a different product, a PMS is a different product. No, they are different vehicles. So if I want to go from Chennai to Bangalore, or from Bombay to Pune, or Delhi to Jaipur, I can have multiple routes, or I can take multiple vehicles. I can travel by train, I can travel by car, I can probably fly. There are flights. All these places I said, Bombay to Pune, there are flights. Chennai to Bangalore, there are flights. I'm sure there are flights from Jaipur to Delhi as well. So you can take different routes. But your destination, that means your starting point and your destination does not change, right? When it comes to equity mutual funds or mutual funds, as we popularly call them, PMS or AIF, let me tell you, the underlying is businesses. So please get that very clear. An AIF, which is investing in banking business, will buy an HDFC or an ICICI or an Axis Bank. A mutual fund will always buy these businesses as stocks. A PMS will buy these companies. If I say I'm launching an AIF, which is investing in businesses which are in the pharma sector or in the healthcare sector, I will buy a Reddy's, I will buy a Divi's Laboratories, I will buy a Lupin, I will buy a Cipla in my portfolio, I will buy an Apollo Hospital, I may buy a Narayan Hridayalaya. These are the businesses. I may buy a Path Lab, I would buy a Thyrocare. These are listed companies in the field of pharma or healthcare. If I'm running an AIF or a PMS, which is meant to invest in healthcare sector, these are the companies I will buy. Suppose I have a mutual fund scheme which says I will invest in healthcare businesses. Please be assured that I will buy the same businesses. When people hear AIF and PMS, we think it is from a different planet. No. So that is the clarity that you need to take.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.